Welcome back everyone. In this video we'll be talking about the renin angiotensin aldosterone system and how effectively it increases blood pressure. The single most important factor of this system is angiotensin II, which is initially made in the liver as angiotensinogen. Angiotensinogen gets converted by renin from the kidneys to become angiotensin I, and then by the enzyme ACE from the lungs it becomes angiotensin II. And keep in mind that ACE from the lungs also breaks bradykinin. Bradykinin is an antihypertensive agent, while angiotensin II is pro-hypertension. Now let's see exactly how angiotensin II increases blood pressure. It causes vasoconstriction of the arterioles. This will increase blood pressure by increasing peripheral vascular resistance and increase GFR by constricting the efferent arterioles in the kidneys. It also releases aldosterone from the adrenal gland, which causes sodium reabsorption, thus causing hypervolemia and hypertension. Angiotensin II also releases ADH from the pituitary gland, which also causes hypervolemia and hypertension, and it directly increases sodium reabsorption in the kidneys. And of course, wherever sodium will go, water will follow, and this will also cause hypervolemia and hypertension. And it stimulates the thirst center in the hypothalamus. And let's understand the things that can affect the enzyme renin. We understand that angiotensin II increases blood pressure and increases sodium in the blood. So it makes sense that the things that can stimulate renin are low blood pressure, low sodium in the proximal tubules, and sympathetic activation. And here's a small quiz for you. So which of the following renal cells secrete renin? And here is the answer. Alright guys, that's all I have. Hopefully this helps, and I'll see you guys later.